everyone, today I am going to talk about the brain. The brain is the nerve center of the body. It weighs 1.3 kg. Look at the brain. Doesn't it look like waves? The top part is called gyri and the valley-like part is called sulci. Look at the brain. It looks like a walnut. There are two hemispheres in the brain. Now, let me tell you the parts of the brain. So, there are three sections in the brain. The forebrain, hindbrain and midbrain. And the forebrain is present here, midbrain here and backbrain at the back. Now, midbrain doesn't have much. It's really small. It's like this. So, we won't talk about, let's join hindbrain and midbrain together. Now, let me talk about the forebrain. The forebrain has four parts. Forebrain has four parts, which are cerebrum, which is this wrinkled part, cerebrum, and then thalamus, which is here, and hypothalamus, which is here, and pituitary gland, which is here. Now, what are the functions? Before talking about the functions, let me mark them. This is the cerebrum and this is the thalamus. This is the hypothalamus. And this is the pituitary gland. Moving on to functions. The whole forebrain takes care of voluntary actions, which are like emotions, and they also contribute in thinking. They also have contribute in feelings, which are like hunger and sleepiness. Moving on to the parts of hind and midbrain. Hind and midbrain. So, there's a brain stem here. They are divided into two parts. This one is pons, and this one is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. Now, what is this weird thing which itself looks like a brain? It is called cerebellum. Don't get confused with the cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Cerebellum. Now, what do the hind and midbrain contribute to? They contribute to involuntary actions like heartbeat, digestion, etc. They also contribute in balance and reflex. Now let me tell you a fact. When people drink alcohol, their cerebellum gets affected. So their balance gets affected. Moving on to nerves. There are many nerves, and they are all connected to the brain. Most of them are connected through the spinal cord. But when I say most, you know that some are connected directly, and those are the nerves from the face and neck. Now let me move on to the right and left brain. As I told, the brain has two hemispheres, right and left. The left brain contributes in maths, learning maths, science, logic, it also helps in the right side of the body, and it also contributes in motor skills. Now, let me move on to the right side of the brain. It contributes in random sequencing, emotional thought, writing, art, left side, and motor skills. So if you are a good painter and artist, your right side of the brain is more developed, if you are good at math, science, and logic, your left side of the brain is more developed. Hope you learned something today. So keep thinking and keep activating your brain on things. Bye bye.